Keep your brakes road ready. Essential maintenance tips. Did you know that ignoring your brakes can increase your stopping distance by up to 30% in emergencies? That's like needing an extra car length to stop. Dangerous, right? But here's the good news. With just a few simple maintenance tips, you can make your brakes work better, stop faster, and last longer. From preventing costly damage to boosting performance, I'll show you how to keep your braking system in top shape. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep your brakes road ready and reliable. First, flush your brake fluid every 5 years. Brake fluid is the lifeblood of your braking system. It transfers force from your foot to the brakes. But over time, it absorbs moisture, even in a sealed system. This water buildup weakens your braking power, especially under hard braking when heat increases. The result? Brake fade, which makes your car take longer to stop. To avoid this, a brake fluid flush every 5 years prevents corrosion, keeps braking power strong, and ensures quick response time. Next, check and replace worn brake pads. Think of brake pads as the frontline defense of your braking system. They create the friction needed to stop your car, but over time, they wear down. When they get too thin, you risk metal-on-metal contact, which can damage your rotors and lead to expensive repairs, or worse, brake failure. If you hear a high-pitched screeching noise, notice your pads are thinner than a dime, or feel weaker braking power, it's time for a replacement. And when choosing new pads, don't go for the cheapest option. Quality brands like Akebono provide better stopping power, last longer, and reduce annoying squeaks. The way you drive has a huge impact on your brakes. Hard braking generates heat, wearing out your pads and rotors faster. Instead, drive smarter by anticipating stops, easing off the gas before braking, avoiding tailgating, and removing unnecessary weight from your car. By driving smoothly, you can easily get 100,000 plus miles out of a set of brake pads. Another crucial step is watching for brake fluid leaks. Brake fluid is what gives your brakes power. If there's a leak, your brakes can feel soft, unresponsive, or even fail completely. To check for leaks, look under your car for wet spots, inspect the brake lines and hoses, and check the brake fluid reservoir. If your fluid is low or you see leaks, get it fixed immediately. A small leak today could mean total brake failure tomorrow. If your car has drum brakes, keeping them clean is essential. Over time, dirt and dust build up, reducing performance. A simple cleaning can make a huge difference. To do this, jack up the car, remove the wheels, take off the drum, and spray it clean. While you're at it, inspect for rust or worn parts. This quick DIY maintenance keeps your brakes working quietly and efficiently. One common bad habit that wears out brakes fast is riding the brakes. If you keep your foot on the brake pedal while driving, you create unnecessary friction, overheating, and wear. To avoid this, use only your right foot to drive, shift into a lower gear instead of braking downhill, and keep a safe following distance. Lifting your foot off the brake when it's not needed extends brake life and saves money. Investing in high-quality brake pads can also make a huge difference. Cheap brake pads might save you money up front, but they wear out quickly, squeak, and might fail in emergencies. Premium brake pads last longer, offer better stopping power, and create less brake dust. Brands like Akebono and other top manufacturers even outperform factory-installed pads, making them a smart investment. Another important tip is to avoid overloading your vehicle. Extra weight means extra braking force is needed to stop, which leads to faster wear and more heat buildup. Removing unnecessary cargo, avoiding heavy loads unless necessary, and keeping your car as light as possible reduces brake stress and extends their lifespan. Brake maintenance isn't just about saving money, it's about keeping you and your passengers safe. By following these tips, you'll extend the life of your brakes, improve braking performance, and avoid costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Drive safe and keep those brakes in top shape.